Alright, so we're back. Using the phone and the webcam. Alright, so this is the new hard drive in the casing. So I'm gonna actually try to carefully insert back the hard drive in the laptop, making sure that all of these match. Right? Yeah. Making sure these sections match what's on the laptop. Alright, so you don't wanna do anything, in a rush or in a haste that can actually damage the connection on the board to the hard drive. Alright, so put it back. There we go. So it's back where it should be. Okay. So it's where it's lifted up. So I'm gonna just put this down a bit. Alright, so we did that. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Did it? Some hold on. Refresh. You realize something? I did the shell the wrong way. Well, this part is supposed to go over. So I'm gonna have to definitely pull the shell again. Because this part is supposed to go over a screw hole and the screw is supposed to go in it. Damn, mistakes happen. Alright, so Houston, we're definitely a problem. This is really for this is really for a fin. Yeah, this is really for a fin. This is really for a fin hard drive. So sorry for all the twist, as if we're watching Oliver Twist. Alright, so this is really for a fin. So, oh boy, what am I gonna do? Yeah, let me see. Yeah. So, in order for me to put the shell back into the laptop with the hard drive, I have to try and compromise this. Alright? I tried using this just now, but it's not the same as the first one. It's this. So it's not the same as. So this is not gonna work with this. So this will work with this. Okay. So let me go for the next hard drive. Other new hard drive, and actually two, and see what's up with the casing. You realize something? So as I say, this phone has a mind on its own. The phone stopped recording. Jeez. Alright, so let me just do this all over again. Alright, so this shell is basically for this that was in the laptop. It's the Seagate fin hard drive. This may look like a fin, but it's not a fin. It's a fake. Alright, so I try to seat it back into this and it didn't work. Alright, yes, I tried to fit the fake back into this and it didn't work. It worked the other way when I switched the hard drive the other way, put it the other way, but I don't wanna keep the hard drive in this the opposite way because definitely would have an issue, as in hard drive could be grounded. Don't want that. So don't want to ground the board It's a good thing I didn't turn on the laptop. You know, I don't want to ground the board or damage the hard drive B. So let me just check the next hard drive to see if we can fit the shell casing. I didn't know that I was actually having so much work. That's why I say I have to charge for installation of hard drives. You don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know if you're gonna have to use one of your hard drive casings, that shell, for a fix. And this is not a fix. This is not for a fix. This is for a fin. See, this is a fin. Jeez. Hold on, give me a minute. Alright, so I'm back. So it's here. Please be a fin. It's not a fin. I'm gonna have issues. Oh shit. So next fix. Where's the next fix? Let me see something here, because I really need this to be screwed down. I really need this part to be screwed down. I don't want it to be on the opposite side. Okay. So what I do is try to do this option, the plugs in casing. Try to put the plugs in first for the casing and see if it works. Alright, so one plug went in, but it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I don't wanna grow on the laptop. Sheesh. Alright, so shoot. So still having issues with this. Just have to check the jar to find out to see if I have any shells that can fit a fix. So like I said, I didn't know that I was gonna have so much work. Right? Didn't know. Seriously, I didn't know. This is a lot of work. So person say, my finger is not a lot of work, but it's not work. Ah, shoot. And I wasn't there when they were buying the hard drive. I should have. If I didn't know it was a fake, it was a fin, and then you were trying to buy a fake. I didn't know. I didn't know. So it's just one of those things, man. You just go through it and just learn as you go. You just acknowledge your mistakes and you just learn as you go. Alright? Yeah. So I'm looking for housing for the hard drive. Yeah, still call the case in our show for the hard drive. So that fits a fit. You wanna make sure that the housing is seated properly in the laptop before you put the hard drive back in. Alright? Yeah, so you have to do that. See? You have to do that. Do that, then trust me, you're gonna probably have like some issues in the hard drive will groans. You don't want to groan the customer's hard drive. I'm gonna go and find an housing for a fix. This is not whoa, don't drop the hard drive. This is not comfortable. So all am I gonna do something as in to put the the fin housing for the hard drive back into the laptop? Good question. Good question. Alright, oh, here. So do it this way. Do it this way, it fits. Alright, or do it this way, it fits. Alright, but when you check this to this, it's not the same. This will actually be over here instead of it being, see, it won't fit. Shoot. This is where alright, so the reason why I'm using a webcam is not just to show you this on widescreen, but also you can actually watch me while I talk using the phone, so you get it, man. Alright, so shoot. This is like math. Trying to sort out an equation of fitting housing back into a laptop. Okay, if I do it like this, then this would be upwards and upwards like this, and then this. Hold on. The housing. Hold on. See, E550 is giving issues. A lot of issues. I'm not going into settings. Um, so I'm trying all the keys. It's not letting me go into settings. Alright. So what I think is that I'm gonna have to create a GPT bootable thumb drive. Right, so good thing I have Windows 10 nearby on my cellular drive, so I'm gonna create a GPT bootable thumb drive and see what's up, and then research how to get into settings, because I know it's F2, but it's not letting me use F2. Right, it's not letting me use F2. So alright, so my phone battery is low, so my video has ended for the phone. So let's get to it. Alright. My Windows 10 is what? The 3 point something gigabytes. So I'm gonna actually use Rufus to create a GPT hard drive. Bootable thumb drive, sorry. Alright, so this is my 8 gig thumb drive, but I can also use my 4 gig thumb drive. So I'm gonna use a 4 gig, but I have stuff on this. So I use a 4 gig. Alright? To create a GPT bootable thumb drive and see if it works. Cool? Alright, so that's the next video. That will be the third or the fourth video that I'll be doing. So I end this now and then create the GPT bootable thumb drive.